What's up, guys, and welcome back to another spicy snack review here on Brent Eats Heat. Today we're trying the Snyders hot buffalo wing pieces, pretzels. Get you some. I don't think you want none. So before I open this bag and get into these hot buffalo wings, Snyders, pretzels, pizzas, come out. I just want to say there's a Snyders pretzel pieces cheddar. You guys got to check it out. So this is an amazing company. They make great snacks. These aren't bad. The cheddar ones are way better. But as far as spicy snacks go, I mean, it's not bad. Absolutely coated with the buffalo sauce. I guess in this case we wouldn't call it buffalo sauce, we would call it buffalo seasoning. Heat, I'm giving it a 0. There's no heat here, guys. Even for a non-chili head, there's no heat here. Flavor, I mean, this is a tough one. This is a tough one. So, flavor, I'm gonna give it a 7.2, and again, I'm not a big buffalo guy unless it's buffalo hot. Extremely hot buffalo sauce on my wings, then I'm a buffalo guy. Guys, if you like today's video, please hit that like button. And before I jump off of here again, I just want to say thank you to all the new subscribers and all the subscribers that's been here since day one for rocking with me. I love each and every one of you. And until next time, have a great day.